Hi, this is a brief introduction to the Sprint, the new flagship model from Lexent. It's a powerful air conditioner, dehumidifier, but it also has a heat output. Keep watching for the details. The Lexent Sprint is a 12,000 BTU air conditioner with dehumidifier, but also delivers 3,000 watts of efficient heating power. The Sprint has been designed to fit into any home office or office environment. Finished in gloss black and striking grey, the styling of the Lexent Sprint is nothing short of futuristic. The Sprint's logically laid out control panel is so easy to use. Switching between the Sprint's operating modes couldn't be easier. Cool mode is obviously for air conditioner. Dry mode allows you to use the unit as a powerful dehumidifier. Fan mode utilises the unit's powerful fans. And heat mode turns the unit into an efficient but powerful warm air blowing heater. So that concludes this short introduction to the Lexent Sprint, and as you can see from all of its features, with its air conditioner, dehumidifier and heat functions, it really is an all year round unit. And if you want to know more, just go to lexent.co.uk. Thank you for watching.